Hi, everyone. Welcome back. This is Tracy, and this is week 5 of Mini Kit Monday. April had 5 Mondays in it. So Becky and I did 5 videos, 4 of them with layouts and one showing our kits. So I am finishing up using this beautiful floral paper. And actually, I still have some left over. I ended up cutting those flowers out and putting it towards my kit for the month of May. So, I wanted to show you. I know that the photo you haven't seen it yet, but this is a photo of my niece, her twins. So I've been talking about how she has these twins. She has 2 sets of twins. The boys are in the back, and the girls are in the middle seats of the van. And I know you can't see them very well, but I wanted to get a picture of all of them together. So here it is. So I've been pulling some things out, I'm just kind of auditioning everything to see how it looks. I like the better together. It doesn't make it, the colors just aren't, I don't know, it's just not working for me. I do like the phrase better together, but the card itself, and I believe I got this from Paper Issues from one of their free, not a cut file, but one of their files that they have on their site. So, I'm going to put the phrases off to the side. This sticker book, I am determined to use some of the stickers in here. The flower that doesn't make it. I do use, I think, a couple of tags and a camera. And as I'm flipping through it, I know I'm really trying to make sure that I look at it well. Yeah, that tag does make it. It doesn't end up there though. And then that says happy on it, and it's kind of like, I don't know, what do you call that? I don't know, it's kind of a pinked edge, it says happy. It's, it looks like it's black, but I think it's actually navy. I do like the family. That is also from Freckle Fawn, or it is from Freckle Fawn. I got that, last year in, they have a set of wood veneer words. Oh, I love that. I love wood veneer anyway. And of course, I'm pulling out those resin flowers that I absolutely love. The little word phrase that is down at the bottom left-hand corner of this photo says, "Oh, honestly." So now things are kind of going together. Once I took that card out, I'm like, oh, okay, now things kind of go smoothly. So now I'm starting over. So this is it. I've already done the auditioning. Now we're going on for the show. So the background paper is the ledger paper. It's kind of a cream colored with pink printing on it. And I wanted a little bit of that blue color down below. And so I'm looking through all my stencils, and it's funny because in my mind, I think, well, I don't really have that many stencils. But as I'm watching this playback video, I'm like, oh my gosh, girl, you've got some stencils. That's for sure. So I chose that one. I don't remember um, who that one is by. You saw the packaging there. And I'm using the Vicki Boutin, the art crayons, and this is one of the blues. And when you put it on dry, it's very subdued, and you can barely see it. And just keep trying, thinking if I do it a little harder, maybe it'll show up. And you can't hardly see it. And I'm a little disappointed in myself, that thought, well, what could I do differently? Because I want it to really, shine. So I add some water, and you can see it better, but it warped the paper, and that kind of made me sad. But, like, it's just paper, and it's gonna go in a page protector, and it will flatten out over time. And then cleaning this brush, these beautiful stencil brushes, I got those from Vicki Boutin too. I just use a baby wipe, and then all the color is gone. And I did have some more of foam tape, or I would not be so generous in putting all that foam tape on the back of that. Oh my goodness. So I did buy some. It's not the 3M brand. It's another off brand. It was like a third of the price. So I have tried it since this video, and I like it fine. So I will probably continue to order that unless something happens. It comes in a big roll just like the 3M foam tape. Because, I've mentioned this many times before. I don't like the little foam sheets. Absolutely do not. So now everything gets put back into place. That little phrase says, "You are the best," and it goes right above where it says family. Try to put everything back the way it goes. I am having to put some foam tape behind the happy at the bottom of that sticker, and then even down at the bottom at family. I normally don't do this, but I did put some foam tape at the Y because it's with all those different layers, it ends up being a little taller than you know, under the photo as where the Y is, and I didn't want that, wood veneer to break. It would be so easy to do. So I do have a couple die cuts that are tags, and I wanted to use this paper, but I wanted the words to be, r right side up and not upside down, so that's why I had cut it out, the the tag the way that I did. I don't add any e string or, oh, what am I trying to say? Twine to the whole of that tag. It's okay. I don't always do that. I know some people just can't stand it. And then one of the flowers, it only had 1 leaf on it. I ended up having to cut one of the other leaves, because I like 2 leaves on my little buds, and it helps bring that pink color down below. And then this is a little green camera. And another thing that I add that I don't show is, I do add let's see, I add a button that's gonna go under the word family that I do put some pink string in it. It's a white heart. And then there is also a brad. It's a white flower with black polka dots. I put that over by the camera on the left-hand side, and above that, I do pull one of the, freckle fawn, those little chipboard words, and it's kind of an, oblong, oval kinda shape, and it says, "Enjoy this." So I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that because you don't see me I don't know how other people are whenever they make videos or even when you're not, you put it together and you think, "Oh, that looks good. Oh, let me just add this." And then, "Oh, wait, it needs a little something here." And then, oh my gosh, and then the next thing I know, it's like, "Oh my goodness, I have added so much," and I never turn the camera back on. So, I apologize for that, but you'll be able to see there because at the very end, when, I add sprinkles, you'll see where I had added those, uh, 2 items, and then I also put my sequins down. Now I use, for my wet glue, I use the Scotch quick drying tacky glue. I using it there on the wood veneer. I do use it on places where there is gesso. I didn't add any gesso to this page, which I kinda wish I did before I messed it up, but anyway, hindsight's always 20/20. So there I'm having to put some foam tape under that sticker. I also put it under the letter like I mentioned, the letter Y in the wood veneer. Now I'm cleaning up after I've done all the sprinkles. I do cover up my photo, because I don't want any sprinkles on that. Now it's about time to add all the sequins, and I never make you watch me, add the glue to that, but I do use Distress Collage Medium. I've been using that to put my sequins on, and I have had good success. I haven't had them fall off. I have had them fall off if I just use the tacky glue, it's just not strong enough. It's, too easy for it to pop off. Alright, so I'm about done here. I wanna say thanks for, joining me today, and make sure you check out Becky's, channel, and I'll leave a link to her channel below, and here are the close-ups. You guys have a great day. Alrighty, bye-bye.